How's everybody doing? My name is Alan with Center Consoles Only, and I'm here with my good friend Spencer from Commar Sales, and we're going to go over a few items from Edson Marine, specifically their power knobs. So Spencer, if you can, what I'd like to do is maybe explain what we have here. We'll mention some of our own experiences and just get into a bit of detail for those at home that may not know these exist, or maybe are kind of in between some of the Edson options that would like to find that information to make their decision. So what do we got?
Okay, thank you very much, Alan. Okay, so looking here, we've got our three options. We've got our COMFORTGRIP power knob, we've got our SPORTSMAN power knob, and we've got our PROSERIES power knob. Some features here is we've got some Delron ball bearings built in. This is going to allow you to kind of attach a power knob to any stainless rim surface.
Well, the cool thing from these, like I say, you can install it on anything. They're kind of not aftermarket, but it's from Edson, but it's for those that maybe had a wheel already that doesn't have the power knob and would like to add this feature on. It's adjustable. It comes with all the tools inside to be able to install it properly. And if you guys haven't used one of these, it doesn't get much more comfortable than that to just be able to whip that wheel around without moving your hand in that full circle. So it's a cool option. We've always appreciated when they first started coming out. I don't even know what year that is, but they've obviously come a long way since then. Adding their COMFORTGRIP into these. You mentioned the ball bearings. These things spin around, super smooth. It's not like they're going to get stuck on you. So really cool items. If you want to get into maybe some more, see, these are the three options that we have. We have a few wheels here. Maybe we can show what we have on those.
Okay, so circling back, the SPORTSMAN knob as seen up here on the Special Ops wheel. Over here we have our PROSERIES knob, which is featured here on the satin and the stainless, and then not featured on any of the wheels on display here is the COMFORTGRIP knob. As we mentioned in the video before, you have the option of which knob you're going to be putting on the wheel. With the stainless and satin finish wheels, your options are going to be these two right here. That's going to be standard. We've got a lot of great feedback from these. Again, Alan kind of hit it already, talking about the comfort and it's almost effortless to turn the wheel on your boat. But again, as you see here in this retail packaging, kind of some of the pros here is that you're going to be able to strap to any wheel rim from 5/8 inches to 1 1/8 inch in diameter, or you can bolt to any solid steel rim. So that's kind of giving you a little bit of flexibility as far as application goes, which we all like our options.
Yeah. Well, can you get into one thing we kind of spoke about off camera, and if you guys haven't seen it, we went into a completely separate video on the steering wheel options from Edson. So once you pop off this one, go ahead and look for that one if you haven't already seen it. But we touched on something there which was phenomenal from Edson, and that's the warranty. What kind of warranty do these things offer?
So for the stainless options, we are looking at a 25-year warranty, and then moving over to our Special Ops wheel in black color, 5-year warranty. We have a great warranty program. We really hang our hat on it, and something we take pride in.
Yeah, definitely something nice you don't see often. 25-year warranty is insane, and 5 years is great as well. And it just shows you that Edson stands behind their products, and that's always gives you the warm and fuzzies when you're buying something. You know that these guys are going to take care of you, and we personally can stand behind that as well from our experience with them. Solid group all around, and you're going to be in good hands. They're not selling insurance over there, but you're still in good hands with these guys over at Edson Marine. So I'm not sure if there's anything else we wanted to cover or you wanted to touch on.
This isn't a standard offering that we do have, but if you notice, these are capped. So we have stainless caps. This is a black cap. Something you'll see out there, and again, I'll emphasize this. This is not going to come directly from Edson, but more of a custom application. You can move the nuts. Again, stainless nut, black nut. If you were to put the stainless nut on the black, Sportsman wheel and the stainless cap, you get a great look there as well. So it's all about the options. Everyone's about the aesthetics. We have options. We have solutions. So.
All right. Well, you guys can check out all the products from Edson Marine at edsonmarine.com. Send out any questions that you have in the comments below, whichever platform you're watching at the moment. Put the comment down, ask your question. If we can't answer it from our conversation, you know, I'll personally reach out to Spencer from Commar or Connor or the guys at Edson Marine, and we'll make sure we get that information for you. If not, you can always reach out to the Edson guys directly or a dealer near you. So I want to thank you for your time, Spencer, once again.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate
Absolutely.
it. Hope you guys found some value here and got some questions answered throughout the video, and we look forward to doing many more here with Edson Marine in the near future.
Thanks for tuning in.